All right. ICT card swap out. Giant circuit board there. Hold on here. And nobody knows what the hell I'm talking about. But okay, I am ESD safe, ESD shoes, table is grounded. Okay, we're going to swap out this card here. Got all these slots. I'm going to remove, I believe it's that card there. We'll have to go around here. We're going to pop this open, tilt this whole thing down, or up like this, so we can get in there, pull the old card out, and then do a giant card swap out here. Because the old one went bad. Here, I'm going to unpackage this, and then show you what's going on here. I'll hover my hand on here. I want to touch as little as possible for electrostatic discharge. A lot of ESD sensitive parts on here, so. All right, here we go. I'm going to unpack this, and I'll be right back. All right, got an unpackage there. I put the $20 bill so you get a size reference how big this card or slash circuit board is. In case you're wondering, I have a lot of circuit boards to test, and the Agilent was malfunctioning. So, anyhow, in-circuit test card, getting ready to go in. There she is. That's one big circuit board. It's my hand. All right, let's get that test head taken apart, tilted up, and then we'll get it on in there. All right, now I'll be back. All right, had to turn the power on to get the test head tilted up. And then once it's tilted up, I'm gonna kill the power again. Make sure everything's drained down. And then take the screws out, open the access panel, and there's a couple screws in the front that gotta, two screws. Screw right there and right there. Gotta loosen, and then that card should slide right out. All right, let me kill the power and then get the access panel open. All right, I'll be back. Okay, power turned back off. I did take some voltage readings at different various points to ground. Because just because something's turned off, sometimes those capacitors take a long time to drain down. So I want to make sure there's no residual voltage. A lot of sensitive components on here, so I might have to get a hand, remove this, have somebody hold these wires up. I can only do too much with one hand here. All right, screws loosened in the front. There we go. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay. Darn, it's hitting this. I have to get somebody give me a hand here. Yeah. Or maybe not. Oh, there we go. Old board. Oh, man. Okay. Let me. All right. I'm going to check and make sure everything matches up physically. And then make sure all the contacts are exactly identical. Everything's identical here, so. All right, slide the new board in and I'll be back. Okay, one difference I did know. This board is narrower than this one, but this is compensated. Actually, put this mounting rail in here. See, look at the difference. See where the M is? You see how the hardware extends beyond that. So it slides into the rail inside the Agilent. See the M right there? It's almost right to the edge. On a new one, it is extended past further there, so I guess no mounting hardware for this. Should slide in there. I don't know whether this is contact the ground or not. I don't know if it's going to matter. But, all right, I'm going to keep checking for differences here before doing anything else. All right, everything buttoned back up. All right, power on so we can get this thing tilted down. Alright, sniff test. Alright, I want to smell like smoke, so. Alright, I'm going to lower this down. Gently. You know what, I better put the phone down because as this is lowering, I don't want to catch any of these vacuum lines. So, I'm going to tilt it down. There it goes. Alright, I'm going to pause this and maybe get somebody to spot check me while I'm dropping this down. I shall return. Alright, we're going to, so far so good. Like I said, no smoke. And we're going to run a full diagnostics on here. And you know, I'll spare you guys the boring here. So, alright, I'll get back with you after. Hopefully nothing to report. Alright, here we go. We are executing. Alright, did the full diagnostics. Spared you all the pain of standing here. Okay, 0 errors. I did have a problem with this, the design of this thing. One of the cables coming loose. The connectors up in there. But so far so good. What I'm going to do is, let's see about putting one of our test fixtures back on and running testing a board. And I'll get everything buttoned back up. But anyhow, there you go. 0 errors. Alright, I'm going to get out of here. This has been the replacement card of the Medalist. Here, I'll show you what it was. There you go. Agilent Technologies Medalist i3070. So, alright, that's a wrap. Alright, crap, now I'm going to get back to work. KP68, free and clear.